my new addition camping towels, Happy Campers, because coffee makes for a happy camper. And then I bought an apron. I wasn't even really paying attention, but it also has Happy Camper on it. So I think that I'm seeing a theme for our RV. Of course, you know I'm about to cook and it's on the Blackstone. So after getting all prepped, oh, look, my girlfriend Pam brought us this, and what is it? Happy Campers. So again, I think it's a theme here. So now I feel like I need to do a happy camper theme. Not really sure what that is, but I'm prepping everything to get ready to make breakfast on what? The Blackstone, because that's the only thing we cook with when we're at the campground. So that is pancake mix, and Alex likes his pancakes very thin. So that's why I add so much water, because you know you have to let it rest for a little bit before you actually cook the pancakes. So although it looks like paint thinner, the pancakes will be great. So I'm cooking bacon and turkey bacon. Trying to be healthy, but guess which one I'm eating. So I got these farm fresh eggs from, don't mind the container, I had to put them in something, but these are my farm fresh eggs, and I think I'm gonna cook 3 today. So I heard that you're supposed to wash them, so that's what I'm doing. I am not sure if I'm actually doing this correctly. So then I was like, well, am I supposed to scrub them? So I started scrubbing the eggs. I don't know if I'm doing that right. So people that have farm fresh eggs or chickens, did I do this correctly? Because I am unsure. Now, I do crack them in a separate container, and that's only because that's what I've always done. I always crack my eggs in a separate container. And now I'm getting ready to head outside. And this cutting board, because I never took the plastic off, and I've had it for over a year because it was a Christmas gift last year, or maybe it was 2 years ago. But it has a little thumb hole in it. And of course, my pockets, it's like I'm a mechanic right now. I'm getting all my tools ready. So outside to the Blackstone, and I swear by this silicone cover, because it keeps everything off of the Blackstone before I start cooking. So down goes the turkey bacon and the regular bacon. And I have my little silicone mat for my spatula, because I have to have all the things for the Blackstone, right? The only problem with my Blackstone, this is the 17-inch Blackstone Adventure. Can you see all the writing is coming off of it? Is that normal, Blackstone? Can you tell me if that's normal? Alex likes to use the spatula tongs. I'm not a real spatula tongs person. I'd rather have a larger surface so I can turn everything at one time. So as you can see, I use the spatula. I bought the tongs outside because he wanted me to use the tongs, and I said, well, I knew I wasn't going to use them, but I'm going to add my pancake mix. And as you can see, it did thicken up some. So that's why I add so much water in the beginning. We're only going to do 2 pancakes a piece. Normally, I only do 1, but I'm a little hungry. Pancakes are almost done, so I'm going to move them to the back of the Blackstone, and then I'm going to spread out a little of that bacon grease so that I can scramble up my eggs, because I don't use any salt while I'm doing this. And aren't those eggs gorgeous? Look at that gorgeous color on the eggs. Oh my goodness. Farm fresh, straight out of the, well, it wasn't straight out of the chicken, but you know what I mean by that. But those eggs are looking gorgeous, fried in bacon grease, so I don't have to add any extra salt or anything. And now it is time to get ready to go in to plate everything up. As you can see, I managed to get everything back inside, and the eggs are looking fluffy and gorgeous. I have the turkey bacon because Alex refuses to even put it on his plate. So I am going to try to be healthy this summer. I don't know how long that's actually going to last though. And of course, I forgot the coffee. So now I have to go back and get coffee for him and I. So 2 half and half creamers for me, and he likes to have the caramel macchiato creamer, so that's what I just bring down in a bottle for him because that's what he likes in his coffee. No sugar for either of us. And breakfast is ready. It looks so good and it tasted even better. Food cooked on the Blackstone is always better.